Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming at you guys with some unboxing. So I'm just coming off of 2 weeks of, just 2 weeks of work travel. So I got home last night. They lost my luggage at the airport. It was just a horrible day of travel. I had a delay at one of my, the airports that I had a layover at. I'm gonna grab my coffee. And I was literally traveling yesterday for like 14 hours. So I got home this last night. I had 3 subscription boxes that had come over the last week while I was in Arizona. And I'm so excited because one of them is a new subscription box. So I'm so excited to open it and see what's in it and try it out. I also have 2 videos that I filmed before I left that will be going up on my channel over the next couple days. So I think I may end up having 5 videos like coming up that I'm gonna try to get 3 of them filmed today. 2 of them have already been filmed, but as soon as I filmed them, I had to go out of town, so I didn't get a chance to like work on them and get them put up. But I am working on that. My dogs are going crazy downstairs, and I'm not sure what's going on. But anyway, so yeah, let's get into it. So I have my coffee here because, you know, jet lag and all of that. And this, I'm ashamed to admit, is actually my 3rd cup of coffee this morning. So we're just going to keep drinking coffee and we are going to open up some subscription boxes. All right, so this first box, it's brand new to me. So I have not opened anything. I haven't looked at anything. And it is the mix and match box. So I saw Tish on her channel, and I'll link her channel down below. She does such great clothing unboxings, and if you're petite, she's like 5'1", I think, or 5'2", and I'm 5'2", so I love watching her unboxings because she gives great recommendations for petite girls, and everything just looks so amazing on her. So Tish, I blame you for my bank account being not happy with me right now. But this is the good news. So the mix and match box, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about it. And again, I'm new to it, so we'll just kind of go through it together. But they're running a promotion to where normally it's a $25 styling fee for one of their boxes, and it was $5. So the styling fee for this box was only $5, which I thought was a great deal. So when you open up the cardboard box, you get this envelope, and it's got all of your information in it. And this is what your bundle looks like. It's so pretty. It's like got this pretty bow on it and the pink. And as you can see, I haven't opened anything. I have no idea what's in here. So you fill out a style profile online for your mix and match. And there are 2 options. So you have a choice of a take a chance box or a go for it box. So I did the go for it box, and it says the go for it style in a box selection is when you, so when you make this selection, after completing your style profile, you'll be charged a $25 non-refundable fee. This charge will apply once you press the release my style box button. In this style box, you will receive 6 items. Now, again, like I said, that is actually a $5 styling fee right now with the promo code. So it says your styling fee will be applied to any purchase. Okay, so just like Stitch Fix, the $25 will be applied to a purchase, or in my case, the $5 will be applied toward the purchase. Keep 5 or more styles and receive 25%. So you don't have to keep everything in the box. As long as you keep 5 things, you get 25% off. So that's the box I went for. Now they also have a take a chance style in a box, and it's $105.99. However, it says, which includes your non-refundable $25, so that includes the $25 styling fee. If you decide to keep some and not all of your items in your box, your $25 styling fee will apply toward your purchase. If the items you return do not exceed the $105, you will be credited the difference. So you pay that $105.99 up front, which includes your $25 styling fee. it says, in your style box, you will receive 2 invoices, a paid invoice and an itemized invoice listing per item. If you keep all the items, nothing to worry about, just throw that itemized invoice away. You have 5 days to decide. So the whole thing with the take a chance box is it's 2 to 4 items. If you keep all of those items, you've paid the 100, you've paid for them. You don't owe anything else. Or you can itemize it out and only keep a few of them, and then they credit you back for whatever you don't keep, if that makes any sense. It can be a little confusing, but you know. All right, so that was the page describing all that. And it says how to cancel or change your subscription. You guys, I'm not going to bore you with all that. Here's an itemized list of what, it's kind of bright, sorry. An itemized list of what they sent me that I'll go over with you guys. And then here's a page that says, take advantage of our 3-month payment plan. Contact your stylist to set it up and your payment will be divided into 3 separate payments. Well, that's cool. Okay. So, that's what I got in that. This page lists, it's a note from my stylist, and it lists everything I got just without the prices. And then she gives like styling suggestions. Okay, I'm not gonna read the stylist notes. I mean, kind of boring. All right, and here's my prepaid envelope, just like Stitch Fix. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, let's open it up. I'm so excited. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna open up the pretty bun. And seriously, this packaging is just adorable, adorable. Okay, so the first, ooh, and I think I see some yellow in here. You guys know that I love me some bright yellow. Okay, so this is the first like little bundle, and everything is individually wrapped in tissue. So cute. Oh my gosh. Ah. Okay, so this was in the first little bundle. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so these are some jeans. Really, really pretty dark wash skinnies. And they have a frayed hem at the bottom. These are really cute. Now, you guys know I'm not in the market for skinnies, but I do not have a pair of really dark skinnies like this. So those may be a keeper. All right, those are the L and B dark wash skinny jeans with frayed ankles, size 4. Those are $50. So these are so soft, and they definitely have some stretch in them. They look like they're going to be a mid-rise, which is what I like. Really, really cute jeans. Okay, those are a definite possibility. All right, the next thing in this bundle is this gorgeous blue shirt. Okay, that is so pretty. All right, this is the Skies Are Blue. Extra small. Cobalt border printed top with keyhole front, extra small, $42. And Skies Are Blue, I'm familiar with that because that's a brand that Stitch Fix carries as well, and that is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see what I told you guys I wasn't going to read her notes. However, let's see what she says. The Skies Are Blue cobalt printed top with border and keyhole front will go with the dark wash skinny jean. If you have your own white pants, that would work as well. Cute, and I do have some white pants. All right, so this looks like is this a dress? Oh, how cute. Look at that. Okay, so, oh, that's the back, sorry. This is like a gingham print with like spaghetti straps in red. You guys know I love red. And it's like a fit and flare. My only concern is it's not a petite, so it may be a little long. But, let's see. This is the Lis Red Gingham floral dress, and it's $50 as well, in a size small. So, Lis, again, is a brand that Stitch Fix carries, so I'm familiar with that brand. Very cute. Very, very cute. Okay, so that was the first bundle. All right, second bundle. Let's open it up. Ooh, fun. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so here's the second bundle. So again, you get 6 items. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is really, really pretty. Okay, so it's kind of like the halter-ish top, but it has a band around the waist. I love dresses like this. They are super flattering. They just kind of cinch your waist in a little bit. This material is like really, really nice. What material is this? Hold on. It's like a, hold on. I'm trying to find the tag that tells like what the material is, so I can tell you guys, because it's really soft. It doesn't say. Okay, so this is the Gilli purple halter flower mini dress featuring a halter strap bodice with keyhole detail, gathered waistband, and multicolor flower print, size small, $45. So that's not bad at all for a dress, and that is adorable. I have nothing like this. The back is like a kind of a, that's the front, so it's got a keyhole in the front. That's so cute. I cannot wait to try that on. Very cute. Okay, so this looks like a top. It is a top. Again, Lis. This is the Lis Ivory sleeveless top, $28, and it's that small. Ooh, okay, I turned it around. I was like, how cute. So it's like an open back. Got like a little bit of an open back. Really cute. That's different. Okay, and then we have, oh my gosh, I think these are palazzo pants. They are. Oh, so cute. Shut up. Those are so cute. Okay, this is the Lis yellow boho wide leg pants, elastic waist, size small, $48. So this is, these are size small, and again, they're Lis, but they are so cute. I hope they fit. Oh my gosh, they're like split at the leg. Oh yes, so far I am digging the mix and match box. Okay, so let's see what she says about those pants, so I'm curious. You said you would like a palazzo pant, so I included the Lis yellow print boho palazzos. You can wear them with the ivory sleeveless top. You may see that I have smalls instead of extra small, but the Lis line runs small. Very cool. I hope you like what I chose for you and look forward to your feedback. That is awesome. So you have 5 days to decide what you're keeping. Yeah, okay, so here's what it would break down to. So the subtotal for everything was $258. The 25% discount is if you keep 5 or more. So like if one of those didn't work, you still get the discount. So I kind of like that. So the 25% discount would be $64.50. The total would be $193.50 if I kept everything. So I'm just gonna try everything on and see what I like, and then I will be back with a try on for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have on the palazzo pants with the ivory top, and I really like them. They're just long enough. So I don't have any palazzo pants. I've been wanting a pair, so let me turn around and show you the back of this top. It's very, very pretty. I would have to wear, like, this bra is a little too high, I think, for it. Like, you can still kind of see it, but anyway, I think it's really pretty in the back. Let me stand on my chair like usual, and I will show you guys the pants. So, whoa, holy crap, I almost turned over. So, here are the pants. I wish they had pockets. Like, that's the only thing. Like, I keep kind of wanting to put my hands in the pockets. But I really, really like these. And you can see they have this split right there on the leg. I think they're so, oh my gosh. Guys, I'm going to kill myself. I think they're so cute. And I love this top with them. Like, this is just such a cool outfit. Like, I really, really, really like it. here are the pants in the back. They have an elastic kind of waist right here. And yeah. Okay, cool. I really like this. I'll be right back with the next one. Okay guys, so here is the dress. This is the purple halter, the Gilli purple halter floral dress. It's really cute. My only concern is where it hits me right here. It kind of like flares out a little right there, but I really like it. I love the neckline. The back is really pretty. It has like this neck, and I didn't change bras, so I just have on a regular bra, but it's got a keyhole detail right here. Fabric is really comfy. Here's the bottom. It hits me right about my knee. So yeah, I really like it. Very, very comfortable. I'll get up a little bit closer so you can see the print. So it's just like a really pretty floral print. Yeah, really cute. All right, be right back. Okay, so here is the red gingham dress. And I think it's adorable. I really like it. I think it would be really cute with like a denim jacket, or like even a white denim jacket. I think that would be really cute. You could probably even get away with that into the fall with the red. So yeah, it's really, really cute. It's got like little flower detail in the gingham. Fits well. Yeah, I really like it. And this is how long. It's a little bit longer. It comes a little bit below my knees. So be right back with the next one. Okay guys, so I'm back with the last outfit, and I really like this. I think I like this better than the dresses. If I was gonna keep something, this is the Skies Are Blue top, and it was $42 and the jeans were $50. So I really, really like the top. I like this little detail right here. I have several tops this style, but I don't have any that have like this little keyhole thing. And the jeans fit really, really well. I thought they were gonna be a little tight, but they went on really good. And then they've got this like lighter panel right here, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, isn't that supposed to be kind of slimming? I'm not sure. But anyway, here's the, I'll stand up here so you can see the jeans. So here are the jeans. I mean, they fit like, they're a perfect fit. So, and I'm a little bloated right now anyway, because from traveling and stuff and just eating like crap for 2 weeks. So I'm a couple pounds up from what I usually am. So I really, really like these a lot. I think they're really cute. And I don't have any skinny jeans like this. If they were typical, like, you know, just kind of lighter wash skinny jeans, I would say no, because I really don't need any, but these are different. I don't have any like this. So tell me what you guys think. That's it for the mix and match box. So I've already went over prices and how much everything was, so I'm not going to do a recap. But please leave in the comments below what you guys think if you've tried mix and match. And I'll also leave some info about mix and match below. So if you want to try it, you can. I have no idea if they even have like a referral program. But I'll just link to their site down below and you can check it out if you would like. So I'm really happy with this first box. I think to be a first box with a new stylist and a new subscription service, I think she did a really good job. Like, she pretty much nailed it. So yeah, really happy with it. I have a trend sim that I'm gonna film next, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys, and hit that subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up if you like these videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.